Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 2 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 2 and then click on view all lessons. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. We're going to start with the chapters two-dimensional shapes and then we'll cover the other chapter that is three-dimensional shapes. So here I'm on grade 2 math. We're going to start with the chapter two-dimensional shapes. So let's just start with the lesson. Okay, name the two-dimensional shapes. Let's just start with the lesson. Okay, what shape is this? Which is the correct option? Yes, that's a triangle, right? Because the shape has three sides, so that is our triangle. Let's just start with the test questions. What shape is this? Circle, triangle, which is the correct option? Yes, that is a circle. That is a round shape, so that is the circle option. Number one is the correct option. Okay, what shape is this? Is this triangle or circle, which is the correct option? That is a three-sided shape with three corners, right? That must be triangle. The correct option is triangle. What shape is this? Circle, square, which is the correct option? That is a square. The four-sided shape it is, so that must be a square. The correct option is square. What shape is this? Yes, circle it is. The correct option is circle. That's a round shape, so that must be a circle. What shape is this? Circle, square, which is the correct option? That is a four-sided shape with all the lengths are equal, right? So the correct option is square. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. Okay, basically we are done with the chapter with two-dimensional shapes. So we are going to start with a new chapter that is three-dimensional shapes. Okay, let's just start with the lesson. Name the three-dimensional shapes. Okay, what shape is this? Which is the correct option? That is a cube. That is a six-sided shape. All side looks like the square. So that is a six-sided shape. That is a cube. The correct option is cube, right? Okay, which shape? What shape is this? Is this cube or cone? Which is the correct option? Yes, cube it is. And right, the correct option is cylinder. Okay, what shape is this? Cone sphere, which is the correct option. Yes, sphere it is. That is a three-dimensional shape. That is a square. That exactly like the ball you used to play with. That is a sphere. What is this? Which is the correct option? Very good. That's a cube. What shape is this? Which is the correct option? That is the cylinder. The correct option is cylinder. It is. What shape is this? Which is the correct option? Hello. Can you hear me? That is the sphere. The correct option is sphere. What shape is this? Cube, cone. Yes, cone it is. The correct option is cone. What shape is this? Which is the correct option? Cube it is. The correct option is cube. What shape is this? Which is the correct option? Yes, that is cylinder. So we are done with the chapter named the three dimension. The chapter named three dimensional shapes, and we are done with the lesson. So you can complete this chapter by yourself. Later today, you have a test there. You can go through the test on your own, right? So let's just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is fractions. Let's just start with the lesson fractions. Okay, fraction word problems. Dustin made two burgers during a barbecue with his friends. He put mayonnaise on one of the hamburger, and mustard on the rest. What fraction of the hamburgers had mustard? So you have to find the total burgers first, right? Dustin made two hamburgers. That means the total hamburgers are two. One of them have the mustard, so that would be one out of two hamburger had mustards. One out of two means you have, so that is one out of two hamburgers had mustard. Let's just start with the test questions. Just understand the question carefully. And Elizabeth and her mother went for a walk. They saw three dogs playing in the park. Two of them they saw were brown. But fraction of the dogs were brown, which is the correct option. You have the total dogs were three, right? And two of them were brown. No, that would be two out of three. Denominator is always greater than numerator, right? So three is greater than two. That would be two out of three, not three out of two. Denominator is always greater than numerator. There were five marbles on a table. One rolled off onto the floor. What fraction of the marbles rolled off the table? Which is the correct option? Yes, very good. That is one out of five. The total marbles are five. One of them, when you say five by one, that means you have five marbles. You have one marble out of one you did with five. This isn't the correct option. The correct option is one out of five. Very good. Dustin made two hamburgers during a barbecue with his friends. He put mayonnaise on one of the hamburger and mustard on the rest. But fraction of the hamburger had mustard, which is the correct option. One out of two it is, right? Okay, the next one is Megan arranged four flowers in a vase. She used three roses. What fraction of the flowers were roses? Which is the correct option? The correct option is three out of four. Option number two is the correct option. Stecky bought seven bagels for brunch last Sunday. Four of the bagels had raisins. What fraction of the bagel had raisins? Which is the correct option? That is four out of seven. Option two is the correct option. There were four swans in a lake. One flew away. What fraction of the swans flew away? Which is the correct option? 1 out of 4 it is, right? No, option number 1. Why 4 out of 1? Numerator is always smaller than denominator. Carmen made 9 cupcakes. She put sprinkles on six of the cupcakes and coconut on the rest. But fractions of the that is 1 out of 3 it is, right? There were 10 apples on a tree in the yard. 8 fell off the tree. What fraction of the apples fell off? Which is the correct option? That would be 4 out of 5. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson, that is fractions. Let's just start with the lesson. Okay, that too moved on to the next lesson. Let's just start with the logical reasoning. Guess the number. Okay, I have a 2 in the ones place. I am greater than 31 but less than 35. You have to find the number, right? You are given the number had 2 in the ones place, right? You can write the digit as like this, right? So 2 is at the ones place. I'm greater than 31. So greater than 31 you have 32, 33 and 34. So the only number that has 2 at the ones place is 32, right? The correct option is 32. Let's just start with the test questions. I'm a two digit number. I have a 1 in the tens place. You say me when you count by tens, right? So one's digit is 0 and the tens is you say me when you count by tens. So when we count by tens, the number we count like this: 10, 20, 30. So the correct option is 10. Just look at the options here given the 10. So the correct option is the correct option is 10. I'm a two digit. I have a two digits in the ones place. Sorry, I have a 2 in the ones place. I'm greater than 31 but less than 35. What number am I? Yes, 32 it is. The correct option is 32. I have a 6 in the ones place. I'm greater than 56 but less than 76. What number am I? Which is the correct option? You have 6 at the ones place and the number is in between 56 and 76. So, which is the correct option? That is very good. 66 it is. You have 6 at the ones place. So, in 66, you have 6 at the ones place, not 60. In 60, you have 6 at the tens place. Ones place is 0. The correct option is 66. I'm an odd number. I'm greater than 46 and less than 49. What number am I? The number is odd. Odd numbers are the numbers that cannot be divisible by 2. So the number is 47 because 48 is an even number. The correct option is 47. I'm an odd number. I'm greater than 75 but less than 79. So between 75 and 79, how many odd numbers do we have? Yes, 77 it is. I have a 4 in the ones place. I'm greater than 59 but less than 66. So which is the correct option? Yes, that is 64. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So, we were working on grade 2 math. We have started with the chapter two dimensional figures. Then we have covered the three dimension figures, then fractions, and the one we just finished is logical reasoning. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we did today. That is your homework until next session. So if you need help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday 5 to 9. Or either you can join me in the interactive session that would be daily from 4 to 5 and from 9 to 10. So if you have any questions related to the lessons we have just finished, you can please ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. No questions? Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.